Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Today we're going to learn a marvelous point, the anti-aging point in the body. Now let's get started. The anti-aging point, the Yang Lao is the 6th point on the small intestine meridian. The small intestine pairs with the heart. The point is at our wrist. Hold your hands like this. You see the height of this bone. Place your index finger on the tip of the bone. Turn the fist towards the chest. Now the height of the bone becomes a depression. This marvelous point is within this small depression. You can find a teeny gap between the very thin bones here. Use a finger to apply acupressure straight down. Press and lift, or massage in a circular motion clockwise, then counterclockwise for 1 minute each direction. I sometimes lightly pinch a fingernail into the gap, press and lift, then repeat press and lift for about 30 seconds. After that, I will use the pad of the finger to massage the point in a circular motion clockwise for 1 minute, counterclockwise for another minute. Regularly massage this point helps delay the aging process by slowing down the progression of osteoporosis and osteoproliferation. The point might feel tender if you have neck issues, eye issues in that particular side. You might be wondering why. That is because the small intestine meridian starts at the tip of the little finger, the pinky. It runs through the wrist, the elbow, then up along the bone line through the triceps. It zigzags at the back of the shoulder before ascending up the side of the neck. At the cheek, it moves outward, ending at the front of the ear. The anti-aging point helps treat many age-related illnesses like failing vision, for example, glaucoma or double vision. And together with other points, it treats pain in the wrist like carpal tunnel, and also pain in the elbow and the shoulder. A skilled acupuncturist can treat carpal tunnel effectively by inserting a needle into the Yang Lao point to clear the blockages. The pain is gone when the blockages are cleared. Because I had shoulder and neck injury on my right side, there are more blockages on my right. Even with my dry eye conditions, the right eye being the more severe one. When I massaged the Yang Lao point, my right side felt different when compared to the left. It is more tender. Anti-aging point is also a useful point for treating elderly patients with hearing issues like tinnitus and upper body or limb stiffness. So work on this point maybe twice a day, 2 or 3 minutes each time to nourish your health and delay the aging process. Friends, let me know if you enjoy learning powerful acupressure points like this. Leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.